trying to stay in the perfect will of God, when all the time your flesh is eating you up on the inside. See, you're trying to stay in the perfect will of God when trials and tribulation may arise in your life. See, the perfect will of God is not being in His glory, seeking His presence on high. See, the perfect will of God is not backbiting, it's not being envious, it's not deceitful and this know-it-all. I know we have the earthly will, which people are seeking money, they're killing for the money. See, this will is not about money, it's not about killing your soul, but it's about seeking God's face. It's about understanding the ways of life. It's about getting your soul together so you won't die and end up in a burning hell forever and ever. Are you in the perfect will of God? Do you seek Him on a daily basis? Do you feel His presence surrounding you? See, I realize that people are trying to seek everything else. Understand that God needs someone that will seek Him in the time of need, that will say God is, they stand up and proclaim the gospel and will say He is Lord of Lords, that He is Almighty, He is the God of the universe, He is the King of Kings, He is my peace in a dry place.